Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick short video for you guys about doing a staycation where you live.
Hi, I'm Jeremy.
And I'm Kelly.
Hey, I'm Joshua. My name's Jackson.
And this is Jonathan.
If you were with us last week, you saw that we went to Castle Rock. Well, we decided that we wanted to do more in the town, so we decided to make it into a staycation. And so here are 5 tips for staycations.
Tip number 1, go ahead and pick what you want to do. If you have something that's within an hour to 2 hours from where you live that you have wanted to do with your kids, maybe make that into your staycation. For us, it was hiking up Castle Rock. Castle Rock is only about an hour away from where we live, and so we wanted to make it into a little bit more than just a day trip, which we could have done.
That's where we're going, up to the top of Castle Rock.
Tip number 2, pick a hotel that has a pool. Our kids are fish. They absolutely love the water, so that is a necessity for us. Tip number 3, pick a fun place to go to dinner. We did Japanese hibachi, which our boys had never done before, and we had a lot of fun watching the chef cook and do the fire, and we made a choo-choo train. It was a lot of fun. Alright guys, so we just finished, whoa, that's bright. So we just finished dinner at
Japanese hibachi.
Mount Fuji.
Our boys' first time,
Yeah?
and it was a lot of fun, as long as the chef told them when he was going to make fire.
And he did. He was really good about that. And now we are headed to Daniels Park? Daniels
Yep.
Park?
We're going to Daniels Park to watch the sun set.
We're waiting for the sun to set over there behind us. Right back there. So yeah. The clouds seem to be in the way though, so I don't know that we're gonna get an amazing sunset.
Tip number 4, find a playground. Everywhere has them. There's a lot of really cool ones. Some have excavators, some have climbing walls, lots of really fun slides. There's unique playgrounds everywhere. Find one.
Hey guys, so this is our last day in Castle Rock. We are at Gemstone Park. Boys are enjoying swinging. There's a great playground here. It is windy. Great playground pavilion. And as you can see by the trees, it is very windy. We're having a lot of fun, getting a lot of energy out before we get back in the truck to head back home.
Tip number 5, and probably the most important, is it doesn't have to cost a lot of money.
Our total staycation probably cost under 200 bucks. That's including the hotel and dinner. I mean, we did hikes that were free. We had a pool at the hotel. We went and watched the sunset up at a beautiful, beautiful park. I mean, it doesn't have to cost money to do adventures.
Alright guys, so thanks for watching our video. If you liked our video, give us a thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed and are interested in following us on our adventures, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified when our videos come up.
So we hope that whether you're going out on adventures, whether you're planning a staycation, or whether you're just getting together with family and having a lot of fun, we hope you guys have something planned for this weekend, and we'll see you next week. We are on to the next adventure.